All right, guys, so Tennessee, tornadoes, not great. Oklahoma gets plenty of them too. Thankfully, it wasn't us this time, but let's rally. Michael over there at GarageBound LLC, part of the crew, part of the community, got hit. He seems like he's doing all right. I've talked to him, and what we're gonna do is for the next week, all of the proceeds from the Weld It Yourself kits are gonna go to him. What he doesn't need, he'll send to a local cause, charity, whatever that is helping out in his area with the people who don't have the support structure. So we appreciate y'all checking it out. Of course, we're still running our Stuck at Home sale. Code STUCK for 15% off of everything. If you want to use that, awesome. If you don't, you'll be pitching an extra 15% to the people over there in Tennessee. Thank you for your support. Catch y'all on the next one.